My boyfriend looks nice, so I can't look like a scatty rat. Don't look at my background. Today we're going to go in with a new look. But today we're actually going to focus mostly on skin prep. Queen Uche herself said it's all about skin prep, okay? The way your makeup applies, the way your makeup sits, the way your makeup beats. I'm not a big primer myself, but I definitely do indulge in my skincare, indulge in my skin prep. Part of which being, okay, so let's take you through it. First of all, we're going to skin prep. Mario Badescu, you know, he's my man's. Sorry, before I go into Mario Badescu, I actually go in with the Aveeno Protect and Hydrate sunscreen. To be honest, I loved it. At first I was like, this is not black girl friendly at all in the slightest. I was like, this is giving purple, it's giving Barney, it's not at all. But the more I use it, the more it's growing on me. I don't know. Elf Power Grip Primer. We love her too much. So don't even worry about it, sweetheart. Don't even worry about it. And then I like to go with my OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Vitamin C Stick. But girl, she is done to the bone, okay? She is out of juice. My friends at OLEHENRIKSEN actually sent me replacement. They literally said, you get a CC stick, you get a CC stick, we all got a CC stick. It's color correcting eye stick with 2 forms of vitamin C and banana powdered inspired pigments that neutralize dark circles, brightens and hydrates. Yeah, I use Apricot because I find that it just makes sense to me. But I also use this as color correcting in other aspects. Like I've got hyperpigmentation, I'll color correct with pumpkin. We'll take her under the eye. You can blend this in. You could choose your tool of choice. I just blend it in with my concealer brush and it brightens up the eye. Like look at what she's doing. You see? Like it really brightens the eye. Like you see the difference, like you can kind of see. You can brighten up the eye. To be honest, you can really wear this by itself or you can wear it with something else. Like on days that I'm like, I don't want to do anything, I'll wear it by itself. But on other days, like today, I'll wear it with something else. But you see, look, brightness, all of that jazz. It happened, it's here. I'm back with my boy, Mario. Me and Mario's have really got something going on. This is gonna be, like I said, it's a light beat. It's a light beat. I know Uche said wear your makeup, but today I don't want to. I want to do it part-time. I can't go full glam on a Sunday where I'm really not doing much. Like we're going shopping and the thing is, my boyfriend looks nice, so I can't look like a scatty rat. We're putting this on. I tell you, me and this blush go together real weird. It's so soft, it's so cute, and it just makes me feel like strict order for it. But let's get this nose together. I think I'm in love with you. I say I'm not doing too much makeup and look at my contour. You know, oof. She turned into the fullest beat real quick. It's too big for my phone. Now I don't know what time it is. It's food time. It's food time. It's food time. I feel like I'm racing against time, darling. I actually used to put the Banana Bright CC stick on my eyebrows as well. Y'all know I stay true to Laura Mercier. I really want to try the Huda one though. Like, I can't lie. Like, I really want to try the Huda Beauty stuff. Like the next step, setting powder, setting spray. And we're gonna like kind of use this. I kind of use this one as a primer before I go in with my main concealer. This is a drier mascara. It's a dry mascara, but I use it to prime. So we're gonna use Monsieur Big by Lancome. Guys, I swear by it. It gives me lashes that I never even knew I owned. It's giving you have been promoted. And then finally, I'm just gonna take a little sponge and go in, because I feel like something's happening under my eye that I don't really understand. So I'm trying to just like mattify it, because maybe the brush didn't take. It's giving summer. This is like my quick, like snappy makeup look. I still need to do my lips, so I'm gonna quickly go around, get my lip thing situation, and come back. Okay, darlings, we're finishing this look with a quick gloss. So we're going with Glossed by Sephora. This is in the color Boss. I literally got this because I was like, listen, it's big and it's clear, and I need a big clear lip gloss just for life. So I'm gonna put it on first, because if you may or may not know, I hate when my applicators get dirty. Like, I hate it. I'm sorry, I can't do it. It irks me so much. So I literally put as much as I can on my lip. And I'm only aiming for my bottom lip because I know my top lip has product on it, and it has product from like my foundation and stuff. Glossed up, bossed up. We're gonna go in with my CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte. CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in Paradise Lost. I take it around my mouth. So go around here. Just around the perimeter, you know. Make it hair. Oh no. It's on the inside. She has breached her contract, honey. Okay. So yeah. So now we're here. We're clear. Well, we're here and we are nudie coloured. But I want just a slight bit of colour. For that, we're going in with the OLEHENRIKSEN Lip Peptide treatment. So I'm just gonna take that, pat it on my lips. I'm gonna stop rubbing my lips together. Clearly it does not work. This is my lip look. It's a chocolatey, glossy, pinky situation, and I love it. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Your girl's trying to get to 10k.